Hey, how's it going? I'm Melissa and welcome to my channel, and today's video is a hair care video. And just so we get into it really quickly, I moved to Germany and I found this girl. Her hair is amazing and she just started a hair care company, and I just thought I had to try some of the stuff because her hair was so pretty. And as you can see, my hair it looks good for this video, but it's quite old in terms of the last time it was washed, and there's a lot of like product buildup, and I've never actually used a clay wash. And so I got the clay wash and the deep conditioner from her, and so this is first time use slash review video. So yeah, let's get started. Hey everyone, so this is my hair and I haven't washed it or done anything to it for about 3 weeks, which I thought would be really good for seeing the best results out of this clay wash. And so now we're just gonna get started. Okay, so this is how my hair looks after being pre-pooed for about 30 minutes with just water and almond oil and detangling it. And so now we're just gonna go on to how we're gonna mix the clay wash. So what we need is aloe vera juice, your measuring spoons, your plastic container, your oil of your choice, and of course the clay wash and anything but a metal utensil for mixing. So in our container, we're going to put about 4 to 5 tablespoons of the clay wash. And then we're going to put about 5 pumps of an oil of your choice. I'll be using my almond oil. And then after that, we're going to go in with about 3 tablespoons of aloe vera juice and 3 tablespoons of lukewarm water. You can either just use aloe vera juice or just water. I like to do half-half. And we're going to mix it, and it should look like a thick pasty mud consistency, and that's when you know it's ready. So when I apply it, this is just my hair when I've washed out the pre-poo, and for application we're going to do it section by section just so we make sure that all of our hair is nicely coated. And I always start with the ends of my hair and then use like a raking motion to make sure I have the clay wash in all the strands of my hair. And I was actually really happy already. You can tell how instantly soft my hair looks. And once you have all the strands covered up, we're just going to twist it up and do the rest of the head. Okay, so this is just me. I've done half of my head and I just want to show you how it looks like. And now we're going to move on and do the other half of my head. And yeah. Okay, so I had to do a close-up. Can you guys see the curls being defined in this shot? Like, I was really impressed, and my hair never looks like that, like ever. So this was a good sign. And once I've had all the clay wash in my hair, I'm just going to massage that in. Please do not forget to do your edges. A lot of people forget to do the edges and just like the outline of your hair. Massage that in, and I'm going to cover it with my shower cap as well as my hooded heat dryer, or you can just put something warm or just 2 bags, just because heat helps that clay wash really seep in and to get all the best effects. And this is me after about 30 to 45 minutes. You can tell that even the color has changed, meaning that the clay wash has really sunk into my scalp. And this is just how my hair looks with it. You can just visibly tell how soft it is, and I just can't wait to wash it out and see how my hair feels after. And I've washed the clay wash out. It actually wasn't that hard to wash out as I would thought, and as you can see, we still have that curl definition, so that's a good sign. And now we're going to move on to using the Hibiscus deep treatment deep conditioner. And I just, of course, section out my hair, and there's no really special way of applying this. You just apply it to your hair, ends as always, and then hair shafts, rake it in, make sure that all the strands of your hair has that good deep conditioner. And we're just gonna put our heated cap on for about 30 minutes, and then this is me, I'm back, and as you can tell, it's really seeped in, and we're just gonna wash that out, and then I'll show you my hair right after. Okay, and we're back, looking crazy, but you need to trust the process. My hair felt really soft, and now I'm just gonna do my normal moisturizing routine, get ready for my next protective hairstyle. And I really would recommend the clay wash. It really does feel as good as my hair felt. And so if you have any questions, let me know, but I'll see you in the next video. Bye.